Jai Hind and welcome back my energetic martial artist. And yes, today we are going to learn about self-defense for women. See, there is a difference between in martial arts and self-defense. Martial arts means two people are ready for fight and they start fighting with their own profession. But self-defense is different. Self-defense means you have to run out. Yes, you have to run out. Simply just you have to run out that situation. Okay, and so this video is especially for women. See friends, only learning these skills is not that much efficient because you have to be a martial artist or you have to at least somehow be trained. Because once Bruce Lee said that don't fear the person who knows 10,000 kicks. I fear from that person who practice one kick 10,000 times. So with this concept, everyone should practice his own technique many times as he can do. Okay, so just learning this skill is not enough because you have to fight with a person or a group of persons. So you should have an iron body so that you can at least defend yourself from any other person. So without wasting time, let's begin.
Yeah.
So friends, our first technique is very simple, ठीक है? So he is grabbing my neck. गर्दन दबाओ भाई, यहाँ पे गर्दन पे तुम्हारे हाथ रखो, ठीक है? दोनों हाथ से, ठीक है? गर्दन दबाना है तुमको, ठीक है? दबाओ, इस तरह, ठीक है? So देखिए, जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं दोस्तों, this person has grabbed my neck or see. So what should I do? I am not a martial artist and I don't know what to do. So just simply, we have to use some of the pressure points which are of course everybody's body. So if someone is grabbing your neck or any other body part, then you have to first put your hands toward your face so that if something had going wrong, then you can do blocks and anything. So we have to put our both thumbs on his eye, because eye actually is a pressure point, and that pressure point will automatically release his hands from my neck. Okay, so just put your thumbs on his eyes and just press it. So you can see that this person is now feeling unconscious. See, and you can run out or you can just punch it out. So guys, next pressure point is also in the face area. See, this is your neck point, and here you can see this area, this jaw area. Actually this is a pressure point. This connects your whole neck and your face skull area. So this is a pressure point near just below your ears. Okay, so if someone is again grabbing this tarah, see guys, now this person is grabbing my anything. So I'm again not a martial artist, don't know anything. I have to just defend myself. See, so I just simply take my both fingers like this and put it below his ears, and I have to just press it and see this person how feel pain, because that is a pressure point. So guys, now we are talking about third pressure point, and this pressure point is present in the neck area. See his neck area. Here, just below his neck, there is a pressure point, and by pressing this, you can actually unconscious a person or even choke the person. So we have to just do a defense so that we can run out. So here's a person, grab my neck. See, again he is grabbing my neck or anything, and again I am not a martial artist, I don't know what to do. So just simply put this forefinger or any finger towards this neck area. See this neck area, okay? You have to put this finger in his neck area and you have to just press it area. See. You see how he feels unconscious and even I can choke this, but this is not a enemy or anything, so I have just put. See, again, he is grabbing my neck. I have to just put this finger near his neck area, and I have to press it with as much force as I can do. So you have to just press it up, press it up, press it up, and this person go away. Actually, he feels a very bad pressure and pain in his neck. Even I can choke him by grabbing his hairs and just choking it. But I'm not doing because he's my friend and not an enemy. So we can do it by practical ways. There are bonus trick for you, but you have to at least be strong or be a martial artist. So this person is grabbing my neck. So you have to just put your elbows. You have to put your elbows near rope his hand on his elbow, and you have to just hit it by its elbow, and you can again do a chop in his head. That's it for today, guys, and I hope that you all will like this video, and please like, subscribe my channel, and for now, goodbye.